Development and infrastructure. Grok 4 is being developed by xAI with a focus on leveraging massive computational resources to achieve breakthroughs in AI performance. It's trained on xAI's Colossus supercomputer, rumored to scale up to 1 million Nvidia GPUs, H100s, or potentially next-gen Blackwell chips. This infrastructure aims to rival or surpass the computational power of competitors like OpenAI and Anthropic, enabling Grok 4 to process vast datasets and perform complex reasoning tasks. The training process emphasizes data quality over quantity. xAI is curating a cleaner dataset by rewriting and filtering out low-quality or biased data, which Musk has criticized as garbage in, garbage out in other models. This includes reducing reliance on noisy web data and prioritizing high-fidelity sources. Bias mitigation. Grok 4 aims to minimize ideological biases by focusing on factual accuracy and diverse perspectives, aligning with xAI's mission to provide truth-seeking AI. However, curating datasets risks introducing new biases if not carefully balanced. Enhanced capabilities. Grok 4 is designed to push the boundaries of AI beyond Grok 3, with specific advancements in coding excellence. The coding model, potentially called Code Grok, is tailored to assist developers across the software development lifecycle. It's expected to handle tasks like generating production-ready code, debugging complex systems, and optimizing performance in languages like Python, JavaScript, C++, and Rust. Unlike general-purpose LLMs, Grok 4's coding module may integrate real-time feedback loops, such as analyzing codebases or suggesting optimizations based on project context. Reasoning and multimodal processing. Grok 4 will likely excel in tasks requiring deep reasoning, such as solving multi-step math problems, cross-referencing legal or medical databases, or synthesizing insights from unstructured data, e.g., text, images, or tabular data. It may incorporate multimodal capabilities, processing inputs like images or PDFs alongside text, though specifics on this are unconfirmed. Real-time adaptability. With improved context awareness, Grok 4 could dynamically adjust its responses based on user intent, potentially integrating with tools like xAI's API or external platforms for real-time data access, e.g., querying live web results or X posts. Strategic context. Elon Musk's announcement of Grok 4 as a leap over Grok 3 and potentially renamed from Grok 3.5 reflects xAI's ambition to outpace competitors like OpenAI's GPT-5 or Anthropic's Claude 4. Key strategic points include competitive positioning. Musk has claimed Grok 4 will be radically better than existing models, targeting a release shortly after July 4, 2025. This aggressive timeline suggests xAI is prioritizing rapid iteration to capture market share in the AI race. Accessibility and monetization. Grok 4 will be accessible to X Premium Plus subscribers and through xAI's platforms, Grok.com, X Apps, likely with tiered usage quotas. While pricing details are unavailable, xAI's API service, redirect to HTTPS, xAI API for inquiries, may offer Grok 4 for enterprise use, expanding its commercial reach. Challenges and risks. The model's success hinges on overcoming infrastructure bottlenecks, e.g., GPU availability, energy demands, and ensuring the curated dataset doesn't introduce new biases. Delays are possible, as seen in past AI releases, due to the complexity of scaling such systems. Limitations and uncertainties. No public big brain mode. Unlike Grok 3, which has a private big brain mode, there's no indication Grok 4 will offer this to the public, focusing instead on broad accessibility. Speculative features. While Musk's statements suggest advanced capabilities, specifics like multimodal processing or exact performance benchmarks remain unconfirmed until release. Ethical considerations. xAI's focus on truth-seeking raises questions about how Grok 4 will handle controversial topics or conflicting information, especially given the curated dataset approach.